Skipping exfoliation before waxing. Exfoliation removes dead skin cells, allowing the wax to grip hair better. Skipping this step increases the chances of ingrown hairs and bumps. Use a gentle scrub or exfoliating glove 24 hours before waxing. Avoid over-exfoliating, as it can cause irritation. Applying oils, lotions, or creams before waxing. Moisturizers create a barrier between the wax and hair, leading to uneven removal. Oils can make the wax slip, reducing its effectiveness. Lotions can clog pores, increasing the risk of post-wax breakouts. Ensure your skin is clean and dry before your appointment. Drinking caffeine or alcohol before waxing. Caffeine and alcohol increase skin sensitivity, making waxing more painful. They cause dehydration, leading to excessive skin irritation. Alcohol can thin the blood, causing more redness and irritation. Stick to water or herbal teas to keep your skin calm before waxing. Not checking hair length before waxing. Hair should be 2-inch long for the best waxing results. If hair is too short, the wax won't grip properly. If hair is too long, waxing becomes more painful and uneven. Trim hair if needed, but avoid shaving between waxing sessions. Waxing during your period. Skin is more sensitive during menstruation, making waxing more painful. Hormonal changes can lead to increased inflammation and irritation. Some salons may not allow waxing during your period due to hygiene concerns. If necessary, wear a tampon or menstrual cup and inform your esthetician, ignoring a patch test if you have sensitive skin. Some waxes contain fragrances or resins that cause allergic reactions. A patch test can help prevent redness, swelling, and itching. Test the wax 48 hours before your appointment on a small area. If irritation occurs, switch to a hypoallergenic wax. Not cleaning the skin properly before waxing. Sweat, bacteria, and oil increase the risk of infections. Wash with a mild, fragrance-free cleanser before your appointment. Avoid using deodorants or perfumed products on the area. Pat skin dry with a clean towel before waxing. Waxing right after a hot shower or sauna. Heat opens up pores, making the skin more vulnerable to irritation. Waxing too soon after exposure to heat can cause excessive redness. Wait at least 30 minutes after a shower to allow skin to cool down. If necessary, splash cool water on the area before waxing. Wearing tight clothing before or after waxing. Tight clothing causes friction, leading to irritation and ingrown hairs. Synthetic fabrics trap moisture, increasing the risk of breakouts. Wear loose, breathable cotton underwear and clothing. Avoid leggings, tight jeans, or lace underwear immediately after waxing. Using retinol or strong exfoliants before waxing. Retinol and AHAs or BAs make the skin more sensitive and prone to damage. Waxing over retinol-treated skin can cause burns, redness, and peeling. Stop using retinol at least 3-5 days before waxing. Thanks. Don't forget to hit that like button. Helpful. And don't forget to subscribe for more.